Do you want to strengthen your tushy, your inner and outer thighs? Well, today's class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. I've got a quick 10-minute Pilates class that is all about the booty. Of course, our inner and outer thighs get some awareness, and obviously core muscles do work as well. We are going to be in a tabletop position for the majority of this 10-minute class, which means if you have sensitive knees, I would recommend either folding your mat in half, giving yourself extra padding, or maybe grabbing a little blanket. Go ahead, roll out your mat. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and start in a tabletop position. Open your hands up nice and wide, push the floor away, lift the tummy in, spread the shoulders wide. Make sure we're not craning our neck in any direction, but instead just looking at the very front edge of the mat. Take a moment here, really begin to wrap your abdominal muscles, feeling the tummy work nice and hard. Now that we've established that, let's wake up the body a little with a cat and a cow. Just moving at your own pace. Slow that down. Once more, find that long, beautiful line in your body. Extend your right foot behind you. Tuck the toes at first. Take a nice little stretch there for the back of your hamstring, the back of your calf. If it feels good, you might even rock forward and back a few times. Eventually finding your center, pulling your first foot in. Same thing, other side. Tucking the toe, pushing it back, and a little rock forward and back. Now from here, find your center, reach your right foot out, point the toe so the top of the foot is just barely touching the mat. Navel up and in, chest wide. Start to squeeze where your thigh butt connect, your thud. Take a big inhale. Exhale, pick up the foot, drop it down. Cinch the waist, lift the foot, drop it down. We go up and down. 3, 2, lift, hold, extend a little further away. Imagine I'm holding your ears, pulling them forward. Someone else has your ankle, pulling it back. Tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Broaden across the chest, reach long from the tip of your head through your body out your toe. Take a nice big inhale. As you exhale, pull knee to nose round in. Inhale, reach out and away. Exhale, knee to nose round in. Reach out and away. 3 more, curl in and out. 2 more, curl in and out. Last one, in. Take it out, pause. Find a nice long straight spine, and now instead of tapping the foot behind you, tap it off the mat to the right. Exhale, bring it behind you. Inhale down to the right, exhale, bring it behind you. 3 more, down and up. 2 more, down and up. Last time. Now instead, tap the toe over to the right. Instead of picking it up right behind the hip, pick it up right to the side, drop it right back down. As you lift, cinch the waist a little more. Notice if your weight is changing from one hand to the other. Can you keep it even and steady? Let's do 3 more, up and down. 2 more, up and down. Last one, lift, pause. Reach the leg further away. Keep the chest nice and broad. Take a big inhale. Exhale, guide the leg right behind the hip. Inhale, open it off to the side again. Exhale, guide it right back behind the hip. Inhale, slide it on open. 3 more, open and close at your own pace. 2 more. Now, last time, reach the leg off to the side and pause. Hold there, take a big inhale. Lightly pulse your thigh up without overly arching the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Take the leg behind you, bring it back down, sink into a little child's pose. Crawl the hands away. You can tent the fingertips, letting the head be heavy. Rise up to hands and knees, broaden across the chest. Take the left foot away, point the toe, squeeze your thud, and then we lift and lower. Cinch the waist as you lift, lower. Squeeze your thud, let it go. Keep the weight nice and even between right and left hand. See how still you can keep your shoulders, your chest, your hips. 2 more. And this time, lift, hold, grow long from your head through your body, out your toe, teeny tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Great big inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lengthen and extend. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach it out and away. 2 more in and out. Last one in and out. And then pause. From here, again, we tap it off the mat now to the left. Exhale, bring it behind us. Inhale, down to the left. Exhale, bring it behind. Pay special mind to what's happening in your hands. Is the weight shifting from one hand to the other? Can you keep it so even? Actively pressing down into both palms. This time, touch it over to the side. Pause, great big inhale. Lift it straight up, straight down. Maybe push more into your right hand, stabilizing through the right shoulder. What's happening in your neck, your face? Is there tension in your jaw? Let it go. Smile. Take it up and down at your own pace. No hurry, no rush. You've got this, my friend. Now this time, lift the leg up, pause, stretch the leg further away, drag the leg right behind you, swim it off to the side. Exhale, bring it back behind you, swim it off to the side. 3 more back and forth, 2 more back and forth. Last one, bring it behind you, pause, navel up and in. Oh, I lied, take it off to the side, pause, and now we do our pulses up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. 2 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Last time, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Leg behind you, set it down, lean back into your child's pose. Again, you can tent the fingers, resting the wrist, stretching them in the opposite direction. And then one more time, arrive hands and knees. Extend the right foot behind you. This time, lift the foot, broaden across the chest, bend the knee. Don't worry about how high it's lifted. If we need to drop it so we don't arch the back, that's perfectly fine. But from here, I want us to take a nice big inhale. As you exhale, externally rotate the leg. Try to lift the back of your thigh up to the sky and then drop it right back down. Externally rotate and return. See how still you can keep your spine. How engaged can you keep your tummy muscles? How relaxed and soft are your neck, your jaw, your face? 3 more open and close. 2 more open and close. This time open, pause, push the floor away, take a great big inhale, lightly pulse your thigh up to the sky without arching the back, without bobbing through the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Last time, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, take a breath. Slowly set the leg down. Wiggle, shake, do your thing. Same thing, other side. We'll extend the leg, lift it up, give the knee a little bend, and remember, you can drop it down. It's okay. It's not about how high it is. It's keeping everything stable. And then we externally rotate, return. Rotate from the hip, drop it right back down. Exhale, open and close. 3 more open and close. 2 more. Now, last time, rotate, open, pause, push evenly through the floor. Take a big inhale, lightly pulse the leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. 2 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Last time, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Slowly bring it down, drop. Sink back to your child's pose one more time. Tent the fingertips. Big sigh out. A little different, rise up to hands and knees. We're gonna take your right hand, flip it opposite direction. And I'm not putting a lot of weight into there, just a little bit so I get a nice big stretch there through the outside of my wrist. And then flip the first hand, same thing, other side. Flip, push it down. You might even rock a little. I know I didn't do that on the first side, but it's okay. Our sides can be imbalanced. It's perfectly fine. And then go ahead, lie on your back. Let's give our hips just a little stretch after all of that. Take your right ankle, cross it over your left knee. Pause for a moment, finding that nice figure 4. You might stay here. You can pick up the leg. Now, to get a deeper stretch through my glutes, I like to take my hand to my right inner thigh, not the knee, the middle of the thigh, lightly rotate it away as I hug my left leg a little closer to my body. The more I keep my spine long and straight, shoulders down, nose pointing up, the more of a stretch I feel there. Full big inhale, big breath out. Another big breath. And slowly unravel. Same thing other side. Cross, find your figure 4. Is this enough? Feel free to stay. Or do you want to pick up the leg, hugging it a little closer, finding that nice deep stretch? Maybe you close your eyes because it feels so good. Full big inhale, unravel, pull the knees into the chest, big hug, big squeeze, and take a little rock and roll on your body. Come all the way up to a nice tall seat, sitting tall and straight, a little bow of your chin to chest, and as always, my friends, a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.